Welcome to the AZ 900 certification course. I am so glad you're here because this course is created specifically for you to start learning Azure and train to become versed in Azure fundamentals. In this course, I will take you through each of the topics of the exam, which are Cloud Concepts, which focuses on the core benefits of using Azure, such as high availability and scalability. Azure Architecture, covering how the cloud platform is put together to work best for you. Compute, which is all about how you use Azure to run your applications, such as on a virtual machine. Networking, and how each service on Azure can talk to each other and the rest of the internet. Storage is where you put all your data. There are different ways of storing it though. Database, which is a brilliant way to store your data and get it back out efficiently when needed. Authentication and authorization to make sure you only get the right users into your services. Solutions on Azure looks at some of the more complex scenarios Azure is great at providing for you. Security focuses on the various parts of Azure that help make it the most secure choice for your business applications and functions. Privacy, compliance, and trust is looking at how services ensure privacy for your users and how you stay compliant with regulations and standards. Pricing delves into the various facets of how pricing is made up on Azure and how you can stay on top of the costs, because we want to do that. Finally, support outlines the many ways you can get help and assistance to using Azure, both from Microsoft and the wider community. And, of course, we also go through what to expect on the day of the exam. In true A Cloud Guru style, this course is engaging and keeps you on your toes. It isn't a simple dictation of facts you need to know, and I do my best to make it both an interesting learning experience, as well as putting each topic into context so you can apply it to the real world as well. Throughout the course, I will explain some technical topics using non-technical scenarios to give you a better context for learning them. I'll be teaching you about Azure through theoretical lessons and hands-on labs, which are designed to give you a gentle introduction to getting your hands dirty using the tools millions of Azure engineers use every single day. So to give you the best learning experience I can, I've also included learnings based on personal experience and real-world scenarios where that may be relevant. At the end of the course, you'll have learned all the necessary fundamentals of Microsoft Azure, which won't just prepare you for the exam, but also prepare you to start using Azure in the real world. Cloud computing has a ton of potential, like a lot, and AZ 900 is the first key to unlocking it. So, see you in the next lecture really shortly. Now go do the course, go, quick!